Hello everyone, welcome to Teddy Bear's English Dream. Today we will focus on the high-frequency scenario of family relatives. We have compiled 20 basic words, covering common family member titles. Let's start learning together. Family.
F-A-M-I-L-Y.
Family. Family. Noun. A group of people who are related to each other, like parents and their children. I have a happy family. I have a happy family. I have a happy family. My family eats dinner together every night. My family eats dinner together every night. My family eats dinner together every night. Father.
F-A-T-H-E-R.
Father. Father. Noun. The male parent of a person. My father is tall. My father is tall. My father is tall. Father reads a book every evening. Father reads a book every evening. Father reads a book every evening. Mother.
M-O-T-H-E-R.
Mother. Mother. Noun. The female parent of a person. My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. Mother helps me with my homework. Mother helps me with my homework. Mother helps me with my homework. Parent.
P-A-R-E-N-T.
Parent. Parent. Noun. A father or a mother of a person. My parents take me to the park on Sundays. My parents take me to the park on Sundays. My parents take me to the park on Sundays. A parent loves their child very much. A parent loves their child very much. A parent loves their child very much. Grandparents.
G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S.
Grandparents. Grandparents. Noun. The parents of a person's father or mother, including grandfather and grandmother. I visit my grandparents every month. I visit my grandparents every month. I visit my grandparents every month. Grandparents often tell me interesting stories. Grandparents often tell me interesting stories. Grandparents often tell me interesting stories. Grandfather.
G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R.
Grandfather. Grandfather. Noun. The father of a person's father or mother. My grandfather likes to play chess. My grandfather likes to play chess. My grandfather likes to play chess. Grandfather grows vegetables in his garden. Grandfather grows vegetables in his garden. Grandfather grows vegetables in his garden. Grandmother.
G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R.
Grandmother. Grandmother. Noun. The mother of a person's father or mother. My grandmother bakes cookies for me. My grandmother bakes cookies for me. My grandmother bakes cookies for me. Grandmother likes to watch television in the afternoon. Grandmother likes to watch television in the afternoon. Grandmother likes to watch television in the afternoon. Child.
child.
Child. Child. Noun. A young person who is not yet an adult. The little child is drawing a picture. The little child is drawing a picture. The little child is drawing a picture. A child needs lots of love and care. A child needs lots of love and care. A child needs lots of love and care. Children.
children.
Children. Children. Noun. The plural form of child, meaning more than one young person who is not an adult. The children are playing games in the yard. The children are playing games in the yard. The children are playing games in the yard. These children go to the same school. These children go to the same school. These children go to the same school. Son.
son.
Son. Son. Noun. A male child of a person. My uncle has a son. My uncle has a son. My uncle has a son. The son helps his father fix the bike. The son helps his father fix the bike. The son helps his father fix the bike. Daughter.
daugchter.
Daughter. Daughter. Noun. A female child of a person. My aunt has a lovely daughter. My aunt has a lovely daughter. My aunt has a lovely daughter. The daughter likes to dance. The daughter likes to dance. The daughter likes to dance. Brother.
brother.
Brother. Brother. Noun. A male person who has the same parents as another person. I have a younger brother. I have a younger brother. I have a younger brother. My brother and I play football together. My brother and I play football together. My brother and I play football together. Sister.
sister.
Sister. Sister. Noun. A female person who has the same parents as another person. She has an elder sister. She has an elder sister. She has an elder sister. My sister shares her toys with me. My sister shares her toys with me. My sister shares her toys with me. Uncle.
uncle.
Uncle. Uncle. Noun. The brother of a person's father or mother, or the husband of a person's aunt. My uncle lives in Beijing. My uncle lives in Beijing. My uncle lives in Beijing. Uncle often takes me to the zoo. Uncle often takes me to the zoo. Uncle often takes me to the zoo. Aunt.
aunt.
Aunt. Aunt. Noun. The sister of a person's father or mother, or the wife of a person's uncle. My aunt is a doctor. My aunt is a doctor. My aunt is a doctor. Aunt makes nice cakes for me. Aunt makes nice cakes for me. Aunt makes nice cakes for me. Cousin.
cousin.
Cousin. Cousin. Noun. The child of a person's uncle or aunt. My cousin comes to my home on holidays. My cousin comes to my home on holidays. My cousin comes to my home on holidays. I play video games with my cousin. I play video games with my cousin. I play video games with my cousin. Nephew.
nephew.
Nephew. Nephew. Noun. The son of a person's brother or sister, or the son of a person's brother, in-law or sister, in-law. My sister has a little nephew. My sister has a little nephew. My sister has a little nephew. I often take my nephew to the playground. I often take my nephew to the playground. I often take my nephew to the playground. Niece.
niece.
Niece. Niece. Noun. The daughter of a person's brother or sister, or the daughter of a person's brother, in-law or sister, in-law. My brother's niece likes to sing. My brother's niece likes to sing. My brother's niece likes to sing. I buy a doll for my niece. I buy a doll for my niece. I buy a doll for my niece. Husband.
husband.
Husband. Husband. Noun. A man who is married to a woman. Her husband is a teacher. Her husband is a teacher. Her husband is a teacher. My father is my mother's husband. My father is my mother's husband. My father is my mother's husband. Wife.
wife.
Wife. Wife. Noun. A woman who is married to a man. His wife cooks dinner every day. His wife cooks dinner every day. His wife cooks dinner every day. My mother is my father's wife. My mother is my father's wife. My mother is my father's wife. Perfect. Now let's use what we just learned to work through a few practice questions. Just reply with your answers in the comment section. I'm really looking forward to your answers. Which word means all the people in a person's family group, according to the word list? A friend. B. Family. C. Classmate. D. Teacher. What do we call a person's male parent according to the word list? A. Mother. B. Sister. C. Father. D. Aunt. Which sentence correctly uses the word child as defined in the word list? A. The child is playing with a toy. B. I eat a child every day. C. The child is a kind of fruit. D. He drives a child to school. What does the word cousin mean according to the word list? A. A person's father or mother. B. A person's uncle's or aunt's child. C. A person's son or daughter. D. A person's grandfather or grandmother. Time's up for today's Daily English. Bye-bye everyone. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the follow button for more English tips.